Sergei Ivanov, Motherland. It is quiet. I am standing barefoot deep in the April grass. A big white cloud is floating still above my head. It is the 17th of April, the very top of the spring. It is quiet. There is no sound of the flowing river. It is too quiet. There is no sound of the blowing wind. And there is no sound of that small plane that is drawing a white dash on the blue sky. Above the cloud and above everything, it is quiet, and the loudest sound here is the beating of my heart. Second, 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 second. They say wildflowers became almost rare in big cities, bells especially. Here there is a huge amount of them, and there are enough camomiles, shepherd purses, snapdragons, and drop-like bright yellow flowers of herb. I spoke this word and was deep in thought, because there are no such plants in the world that would be useless for health. This will help to cure a scar. This will help to cure a scratched finger. An extract of that will lighten the headache, and this is to be stirred instead of tea before going to bed, to do away with a bad cold. But maybe the most curable thing is not to drink the extract, not to put on the wounds, not to make medicine and ointment of it. The most curable thing is to come here once and stay deep in grass like this, and to learn the loudest sound in the world, your heart beating. Second, 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 second. A simple miracle of an April meadow, the blue, the green, flowers, the sun, and so delicate. Yes, delicate. Now we know for sure that the miracle of an April meadow should be protected. Protected. How? In the reserves? Well, it is a good thing too. But every chamomile cannot be locked, and every stream cannot be fenced. There is no need for this. It is even vexing. Are we wild beasts or poachers to senselessly kill bells with sticks or throw cans into a stream? We want to make friends with them, with the stream, with these bells. Dear nature, we love you. We won't be able, and we don't want to live without your kind healing help. Breathe calm, April meadow. Float calm, the blue sky, white cloud. We people are your faithful supporters, protectors, and friends. And the one who has not become like this yet, like this. The sooner, the better. Thanks, Sergey Ivanov. This is my message to nature. And I hope that not only I am speaking this, but that someone hears it and follows the example of these poetic words, of this poetry in prose.